Hello, potato. Good evening. Can you hear me? Hello.
Teacher, wait me.
Okay.
Hello. Teacher, wait
Okay.
me.
Yes, yes. Tell me if you're done, okay? Okay, are you done, potato? Done?
Yeah, I know.
Okay. Is my voice clear? Can you hear teacher clearly? Can you hear
Yeah,
me? Okay.
good.
Now, very good. So, good evening, potato. Today, we are going to do Unit 19. Okay? Can you see my screen?
Yeah, it's good.
All right. So what is Unit 19 all about? It's about, what is it
About
all about?
what's the matter?
Very good. Unit 19 is all about what's the matter? Okay, so here we go. Let's do vocabulary words. First word, potato. Look at this. What's the first word?
Oh, oh,
Hurt. Oh, what happened to the girl? What is the girl doing in the picture? The girl is, she is,
what is
look at the picture. She is, she is crying again. What is she
funny?
doing? Very good. She,
I like.
hmm, she is crying. How about the second picture? What is that? That
And
is earache again.
here is
Very good. He earache. There's a problem with his ear. It's painful. That's why it says earache. And this one we have,
temperature.
again, temperature. Again,
Temperature.
very good. Okay. This one, potato. How about the first picture? Tough. Again, tough.
Tough.
Okay, good. This one.
Stomach.
Again, stomach ache.
Stomach ache.
Okay, the stomach is painful. It's hurting. We call it stomach ache. So if your stomach is painful, you will say, Mom, I have a stomach ache. Okay, we call it stomach ache. How about the third picture we have here is the, what is that? Third, tooth, toothache again. Very good. Toothache. The teeth here or the tooth is painful. Toothache. All right. Next, potato. What's the first word we have? Uh,
Headache.
headache. Again. Head.
Headache.
Okay. Very good. This one.
Cold.
Okay. Cold. Okay.
Cold.
Yeah. And this one.
Dentist.
Okay, dentist. Great job. Dentist. Okay, and here, potato. I have here three sentences. What we are going to do here is we are going to write the missing letters. So you're going to write, is it letter E, letter I, letter O, or letter U? Look at here. How about number one? What are the words? Oh, I. Next.
E.
E. Next.
O.
O. Very good.
O.
Okay. O. Wait. Next.
E.
Okay. Letter E. Next.
I.
I? Is it letter I? Is it like that?
No.
Okay,
E.
no. Letter E. Okay, letter E. Next. What's next? The letter E.
U.
U. Very good. Letter U. Next.
Không phải đâu.
How about
E.
E? Because. What's next?
U.
U? Like that? Next.
No.
No,
Because
no.
I.
Okay. I. All right. What's next? What's next?
No.
Okay. How about this one? How about the next word? You don't know. Okay, wait. Potato, I think it will take time for us to do it. Okay, so I just want you to read. All right, Potato, look at here. Wait me for a while. I will let you read this one properly. Okay, Potato, can you tell teacher what is sentence number 1? Please read. I've. Please read number.
I have lot of stomachs
Not
because
stomachi. Again.
I
Stomach
ate
ache. Again. Stomach ache.
stomach ache
Very good.
because I hate hundreds
Hundreds.
of chips at school today.
Very good. Okay, number 2. How about let's do number 2. Okay, go. We. Number 2, potato.
We eat.
Okay. We
Racket.
walked.
A lot.
Again, not walked.
Yesterday.
Again, potato, not walked. It's walked. Walked.
Walk.
Good.
Walk. A lot yesterday. And now both my teeth hurt.
Feet. Hurt. Correct.
Feet.
Feet. Okay, how about this one? How about number 3? When?
When my cousin and I were on road skateboard last week, I hurt my hand, foot, leg, arm.
Okay, very good. All right, here we go. Potato. As you can see, look at here. All right, so there are pictures, each number. So I have here number 1,
Okay.
number 2, 3, and 4. You're going to write the number and the letter. For example, potato. Read number 1. Read number 1. This woman, go. Please read number 1 first. This woman. Potato, read number 1.
Number 1. What is one marker with pen?
Oh, wait. This woman. Here, no. The other one. This one. The one below.
Put here on in morning.
Okay, look at here, number 1. This woman hurt her arm this morning. So from all the pictures here, the woman who got hurt in her arm is in number 4. Look at here, it's in number 4. Here, number 4, letter C. That's why we put 4C. You can see the picture in number 4, letter C. Okay, do you understand?
Yeah.
That's how to answer. Okay, now potato.
That boy was outside in the bedroom today. Now he got active.
Oh, earache again. Earache.
Earache.
Okay, where is earache? Which picture is earache? What number? Number
1B.
Oh, very good. Number 1, letter B. Okay, next potato, number 3. Let's read number 3. Oh dear.
Oh dear, what woman hurt her hand?
Now
She can
play.
play basketball.
Okay. Oh dear, that woman hurt her hand. Now she can play basketball. Which picture here got a woman whose hand got hurt? Number? What number? I? Number 1, 2, 3, or 4?
4A.
Okay, number
4A.
Letter A. Okay, next. Number 4, potato. Let's read number 4. That man, go. Number 4, that man.
That man looks sick.
And
It's greasy.
okay, number 3, letter C. 3C. All right, potato. How about let's do number 5. This boy, go.
This boy needs to see dentist.
A dentist.
He got a bad tooth
Toothache. Where is the toothache? The man who's got, or the boy who's got a
One
toothache.
A.
Number 1, letter A. Okay, next number 6. That farmer, go. Okay, number 6, potato. That farmer, please read.
Tractor. No,
Okay.
that is
Okay, where is it? Number 6. That farmer tried.
3B.
Okay. Number 3, letter B. Okay, potato number 7. Give that pearl, go.
Give that girl a glass of the plate. He got a coat.
Okay, give that girl a glass of water, please. She's got a cup. Where is it?
Baby.
Okay.
But my Wi-Fi lag.
Okay, your Wi-Fi is lag. It's okay.
Sister.
Okay, potato. Can you hear me? Can you hear the chair?
Baby.
Okay. Okay, now? Not yet?
B.
Okay, what number is number 2? C.
B.
B?
Yeah.
Okay, how about number 8? Okay, potato number 8. That man, go.
And man for mistake. Now he got stomach.
Now he's got a stomach ache. Where is it? What number is it? That man had 4 milkshakes. Now he's got a stomach ache. What number is the boy or the man who's got the stomach ache? It's in, where is it?
Oh,
Number,
chín sáu.
stomach ache, painful stomach. There's a problem with the stomach. Which picture is that?
Okay, 3A.
Okay, 3A. All right. So, Potato, are you now ready to check your word? Okay, number 2. This boy was outside in the wind yesterday. Now he's got an earache. The correct answer is very good. 1B. Potato is correct. Number 3. Oh dear, that woman hurt her hand. Now she can play basketball. Where is it? Very good again. It's in 4A. 3 is correct. Number 4, that man looks sick and he's got a temperature. The answer is very good. Number 3, letter C. Correct, Potato. Number 5, this boy needs to see a dentist. He's got a very bad toothache. The answer number 5 is 1A. Correct. Okay, number 6. The farmer tried to fix his tractor. Now his back hurts. Which man there got the back hurts? Very good. Number 3, letter B. Correct. Number 7. Give that girl a glass of water, please. She's got a cough. Cough here is 2B. Very good. And last number 8, that man had 4 milkshakes. Now he's got the stomach ache. The answer is 3A. Very good, Potato. Look at here. You've got 7 out of 7. Perfect. Very good. Okay. So wait, Potato, you enter again to my Zoom class because my Zoom is about to close. Enter again, okay? Enter immediately. I'll come back. Wait me for a while. Enter again.